Today's cars are faster, quieter, safer, more fuel efficient, and environmentally cleaner than ever before. The car of today and tomorrow depends on the kind of technology used by MES International's advanced blow molding processes. MES International's blow molding techniques represent the future of the industry, creating a new generation of automotive components that provide cost-effective multi-functionality while enhancing all-around driving comfort. MES International's technologies result from extensive R&D to overcome the limitations of conventional blow molding. These components require new materials and new processes for molding these materials. To satisfy these demands, the exchange blow molding method was developed and implemented to accommodate the large production quantities in the ever-growing automotive industry. With the MES exchangeable materials method, the technology now exists to manufacture molded plastic parts that replace rubber and metal parts in a single process. Different raw materials can be extruded, alternating instantly between hard and soft in one continuous parison. For example, pipes and ducts can now be made with soft, flexible materials for the bellows and fitting parts, and rigid materials for the main body to enhance the structural integrity of the part. This method makes it possible to greatly improve the function of the production parts. Improvements in vibration absorption and sound resonation are custom designed right into the parts. And the soft, pliable ends allow for a much better fit. The multi-dimensional extrusion system, or MES, solves the problems of conventional blow molding. This revolutionary method can make even complex three-dimensional shapes in a single parison. Advanced computer technology is used to control the relative movement and placement of the horizontal die mold. Once the parison has been extruded from the extrusion nozzle, it is housed in a grooved cavity in the lower half of the mold. After the extrusion is completed, the lower half of the mold is rotated 180 degrees with a turntable, and the upper half is clamped to the mold. Air is then injected to blow the parison as it is allowed to cool. In the meantime, the next parison is extruded into the lower half of another mold, and the process continues, making the production faster and more efficient. Significant advantages of the MES technology are the molding of complex three-dimensional shapes, including L shapes, S shapes, and U shapes that can be easily made without flash. Vibration-absorbing bellows can be located freely at any position. A long, complex part can be made in a single process, with a range of multifunctional control pipes, resonators, and harness holders located freely at any position, along with mounting hardware. Computer control ensures uniform wall thickness can be maintained or changed as required. Unlike conventional blow molding methods which suffer from drawdown, the MES technology makes it easy to use materials such as engineering plastics, foamed plastics with small melting tension, also glass-reinforced plastics. Through the use of the multi-dimensional extrusion system, it has become easy and efficient to manufacture an array of products with a wide range of requirements. Among them, high-performance, heat-resistant components such as intake manifolds, multi-functionality, resource efficiency, design diversity. MES International provides technology for the production of molded parts to freely meet specific requirements. For example, soft materials can be used for bellows and fitting sections, and hard materials can be used for the main sections. This exchange of materials makes it possible to mold in a single process products which in the past required a number of different processes. Since different materials can be blow molded intricately in a single process with the MES method, the number of parts can be reduced by 60% or more, and the number of assembly steps by 65% or more. Such improvements obviously slash the total cost of the finished product. By incorporating the method offered by MES International into today's designs, as well as the cars of the future, more and more advantages will become manifest. As the demand for quality grows, MES International, through its research and development efforts, will help find solutions to many of the problems of automotive engineering in the world's greatest car country, America. Since its inception in Japan, our research and development team has been producing zero-defect parts for nearly a decade now in the Detroit area, home of the automotive industry. Here, automotive giants have easy access to our advanced research and technology that is consistently working to improve existing designs and make economical changes to improve overall cost to the consumer. Further developments have been achieved in the production of parts made through the profile process. The concept of human engineering and human comfort have created a greater need for products that improve safety, aesthetics, and comfort. With profile products, parts must have different characteristics to meet different requirements. For example, some parts need to be hard on one side for mounting purposes and soft on the other. Such parts include interior components such as dashboards, knee pads, and glove compartments. With the MES method, these parts can be made in a single advanced technical molding process. Parts are soft where they come into contact with the human body and hard where they're mounted to the vehicle. Profile is just the technology to meet these apparently conflicting requirements and enable us to develop more useful products in the future. MES International, where customer safety and satisfaction come first. We're setting a new standard in the plastics industry and building the parts of tomorrow today.